Hello everyone, we are Group 5. Today we are going to talk about the perfect diary to pioneer the future of beauty. Here is our content. We will first introduce the background of the perfect diary, then move to the industry trend and innovative design. Then using the theoretical support, we will try to plan our future business. Finally, is the conclusion and reference. Here is the first part, Perfect Diaries introductions. Welcome to our channel. Today we bring you a special feature on one of China's most exciting beauty brand, Perfect Diary. Founded in 2017, Perfect Diary has quickly become a household name, revolutionizing the beauty industry with its innovative marketing strategy and cost-effective, high-quality products. What's behind this quick rise? Let's take a closer look. Perfect Diary's product line covers a wide range of beauty essentials. In the makeup category, the brand offers everything from lipsticks, eyeshadows to foundations. These products are designed not only to enhance beauty, but also cater to diverse needs of customers. In addition, the brand's skincare products, including face masks and cleaners, have caught significant attention, helping Perfect Diary expand its customer base even further. The brand also offers perfume, completing its beauty portfolio. Now let's talk about what makes Perfect Diary truly stand out, its marketing strategy. Through cutting-edge digital marketing and collaboration with key opinion leaders, the brand has established a deep connection with young customers. For example, here is the cost-effective products compared to the famous lipstick brands, and there's the red nose, and they also use the WeChat operations to connect with the customer. Perfect Diary success was evident when it ran first during the 2020 Double 11 on Tmall, a major Chinese e-commerce platform. This rapid growth is no accident as the brand's focus on innovation and precise marketing precision has made it a favorite not only in China but also on the international stage.
Let's see the industry trends of beauty. The global beauty industry is on fire. Revenue has grown for 8 straight years, even during 2020's pandemic dip to $481 billion. By 2023, it hit $579 billion and is projected to reach $688 billion by 2028. That's an 18.9% surge in just 5 years. What's fueling this? Three things. One, post-pandemic self-care spurging. Two, booming demand in Asia and Latin America. And three, innovation in niches like clean beauty and men's skincare. The market is unstoppable. Now, let's zoom in on Chinese. It's now the world's number 2 beauty market just behind the US. From 2012 to 2021, China's market exploded, growing from 253 billion yuan to 568 billion yuan. That's a 9.4% annual growth rate, doubling in under a decade. Why? A massive middle class, over 400 million consumers, plus e-commerce giants like Alibaba and Temu. But here's the kicker. Chinese shoppers aren't just buying more, they are buying the local brand. This brings us to a dramatic shift. In 2024, giants like L'Oreal, Estée Lauder, and Shiseido saw sales drop in China. Why? Local brands like Perfect Diary and Florists are outmaneuvering them. They are winning with three topics. One, affordable pricing, 50 to 70% cheaper than luxury brands. Number two, cultural storytelling, using traditional Chinese art and motifs. And three, agile digital marketing, like live stream sales, where influencers sell $1 million of lipstick in an hour. Global brands underestimated this, and now local players own the momentum. So it tells us that the big opportunity for local brands is coming. So where's the next frontier? Artificial intelligence, magnesis, generative AI will profoundly impact beauty, and it's already happening. In China, apps like Feitun use surface analysis skin and recommend products. Globally, some big brands let customers virtually try on more than 1,000 lipstick shades in seconds, cutting returns by 30%. AI even speeds up R&D. It scans social media to predict trends like bake shop replacing retail. For brands, this isn't optional. AI, AI personalization is what technical shoppers, especially China Gen AI, demand. Miss this and you will miss the future. What's more, there are lots of technologies that can help us to make innovation of this industry, such as big data and other new technologies. It waits for us to innovate and to create more.
Today, I would like to introduce you about Perfect Diary's innovative design. Color Match is an all-in-one smart beauty assistant that integrates AI-powered skin tone recognition, a personalized makeup recommendation, AR virtual try-on, and one-click purchase. By leveraging deep learning, the system analyzes facial features like skin tone, skin type, and face shape. It then recommends the best matching makeup shades and combinations, helping users find the perfect products without trial and error. Then I would like to introduce the target user. Our core users are women aged 18 to 35 who shop for beauty products online, but we also target three important emerging groups. People who struggle to determine their skin undertone, sensitive skin users who need highly tailored suggestions, and male makeup beginners who lack trial experience but show rising interest. From a job to be done perspective, we are addressing the question, how do I confidently choose the right makeup shade for me? Users want recommendations that feel like a personal consultation with a beauty expert, and they want it fast, seamless, and tailored to their needs. Then we talk about the core feature. Let me briefly walk you through the core functions. Firstly, AI skin tone detection uses image recognition to analyze your skin tone, skin type, and face shape, classifies undertone as warm, cool, and neutral using a custom-trained algorithm. The second one, smart makeup recommendation engine, suggests complete product combinations, foundations, blush, and lipsticks, takes into account user preference and seasonal beauty trends. The third one, virtual try-on. Users can preview makeup looks in real time before they buy, enhancing confidence and engagement. The last one-click purchase plus feedback loop. Users can instantly purchase their recommended look. Meanwhile, the system learns from user choices and feedback to improve future recommendations. For the technology highlights, our proprietary skin tone algorithm is optimized for East Asian features with under 10% error rates. The AI engine integrates social sentiment from platforms like Douyin and Xiaohongshu to enhance trust and relevance. And all user behavior data is synced with CRM to enable hyper-personalized recommendation. Then when it comes to the user journey, here's how a typical user journey would look. First step, open the app or any program, upload or take a photo. The second step, system analyzes face data, outputs a tailored product recommendation. The third one, user tries on virtually, confirms or adjusts look, and proceeds with one-click purchase. The last step, system collects feedback and improves recommendations over time. In summary, Color Match AI isn't just a tech feature. It's a complete solution that redefines how consumers experience beauty online. By blending AI, AR, and personalized commerce, we are not only solving a real user pain point, but also unlocking new market value for the brand. Thank you, and I'm happy to answer some questions.
And thanks for the above introduction to the innovation project. Next, let me introduce the fourth part, the potential of Innovation 2.0 methodology in helping deliver the leading engaged, customer-focused innovation. And in this part, I will introduce the Innovation 2.0 methodology and the reality series, as well as its application enhancing the customer satisfaction. First of all, I will introduce the understanding of Innovation 2.0. Innovation 2.0 refers to an innovating model that, in the context of the high integration of digitalization and socialization, is driven by the user demands, and through open platforms and ecological communication, rapidly iterates the products and the service. It has 5 key features: co-creation, platform-based innovation, data-driven innovation, agile interaction, and open innovation. First of all, co-creation refers to the fact that the customers are not only end users, but also part of the product development. Secondly, platform-based innovation refers to the embedding innovation into the platform ecosystem. Furthermore, agile integration refers to the rapid construction of the minimal viable product after clarifying the initial requirements of the ideas, then collect the user's reaction and suggestions about the product, including the multiple dimensions such as the appearance, design, and the functional effects. Finally, based on the feedback of the result, the product design is modified in a targeted manner, and the functional details are addressed to optimize the user experience. Finally, open innovation means the going beyond the boundaries of the enterprise and cooperating with the external organization, developers, and users. And there are differences between the series of the Innovation 1.0 and Innovation 2.0. For example, in Coral Driver, Innovation 1.0 focuses on technology-driven, while Innovation 2.0 focuses on the user need-driven. In terms of a source, Innovation 1.0 originated from internal R&D, and Innovation 2.0 comes from the corporation, such as the ecosystems, users, and platforms. In terms of the role of the user, Innovation 1.0 regards consumer as a passive recipient, while Innovation 2.0 regards customers as active co-creators. Innovation 1.0 focuses on product performance, while Innovation 2.0 pays attention to the user experience and the personalization. The innovative application of the profit diary is the theoretical integration application model, including the disruptive innovation theory, just to be done framework, and Innovation 2.0. These three elements form an integrated closed loop, providing the theoretical support for the strategy and the process of Innovation 2.0. Clayton Christensen proposed the just to be done in the 1990s, and he also proposed the disruptive innovation theory in 1997. There are two types, including the low-end disruption and the new market disruption. Low-end disruption, it is a strategy that aims at providing the low price and simple products of a service to the customers in the Korean market. New market disruption, it is a create a market that did not exist before, attracting customers who were previously unable to consume the product. And then I will introduce the integrated models application to customer certification. By launching the innovation program, users shift from the passive customer to active participants, strengthening the emotional bonds and brand loyalty. This significantly boosts the customer engagement. Furthermore, Profit Diary can quickly adapt its products based on user feedback, enhancing the market fit and response times. Most importantly, it improves overall customer satisfaction and brand favorability by meeting users' personal needs. In addition, by building a co-creation beauty ecosystem, users are no longer just consumers, but product experience offices, advisors, and high customer loyalty will lead to the repeat purchase. Moreover, it can collect the customer data, thereby further understanding the real needs of the customer and increasing the depth of the user insights. Finally, it will enable the customers to be willing to co-build the brand and voluntarily become the brand promoters and opinion leaders.
Hello everyone, now I will walk you through our innovation journey for Perfect Dairy in the year 2035. Not just by brands, but jointly created by artificial intelligence and immersive technology with users. Let's start with our main question. How will the beauty of the future be created? On the left side of this slide, we present three comic-style illustrations telling the story of a young user named Lena. On the right, we outline the three core technologies that enable this new beauty experience. Now, let's follow the story step by step. In the first panel on the left, Lena has just come back from the summer vacation. She uploaded her favorite beach photo to our app. Not for posting, but to create a lipstick color inspired by that moment. This application automatically extracts warm cool tones from sunsets, and Lena named it Summer Haze. This is how the user co-created color code system is used. Users can extract tones from anything, a photo, a set of clothes, or even a memory. They submitted these customers the shadows to the platform, and then the community voted. And as you can see, Lena's design received over 5,028 votes, winning a feature position and becoming part of our product lineup. She will receive an NFT Creator Badge, a digital certificate certifying her contribution to the brand's co-creation journey. This is not merely a story, this is an embodiment of innovation 2.0. Consumers directly participate in product creation. This is how a single user's idea can become a product recognized by the community. In the second picture, Lina is holding her mobile phone and browsing through her digital beauty profile. Among these choices, she picked Summer Haze, the shade she participated in creating. With just a light type, the system will apply lipstick to her virtual face. Here we introduce our second key technology, digital twin surface modeling. Lina's 3D facial model was created based on her real facial structure, skin tone, and lighting conditions, allowing her to virtually try on makeup in an extremely realistic way. No guesswork, no waste, only precision and creativity. This enables users to test, compare, and refine their appearance before purchasing, thereby building confidence and connection with the brand. Finally, in the third scene, Lina is standing in front of her smart mirror. The mirror greeted her with its built-in artificial intelligence facial state recognition. This mirror can detect signs of fatigue, such as dry skin or eye fatigue, and suggested personalized makeup to brighten her appearance. It brings emotional awareness into the beauty experience. It's not just ask what do you want to wear today. It asks you how are you feeling, what kind of feeling do you want. And with just one click, Lina can apply the appearance recommended by AI. Her virtual model is updated immediately. So let me pause here for a moment and summarize the entire experience. Lina created a custom lipstick inspired by her real-life community voting, turning her idea into a real product. She tried it out using realistic 3D facial models. Her smart mirror understands her feeling and guides her daily beauty choices. All of these are supported by the three core technologies. In conclusion, these tools have redefined beauty in 2035. The relationship between brands and customers is no longer one way. This is a collaborative ecosystem where beauty is personal, interactive, and emotional. Under this vision, Perfect Diary is not merely a cosmetic brand. It has become a platform for creativity, community, and self-expression.
Here comes to the sixth part, Perfect Diary's conclusions. Perfect Diary tries to make the product innovation and brand upgrades at the same time. We use the user involvement, try to combine the tailored products and the strong engagement with the customers to increase their brand value, to boost loyalty and competitiveness. Perfect Diary is expected to face the broader market and stronger brands. So finally, the conclusion is that Perfect Diary is a creative and user-driven platform. Last part is the reference. Here is our references. Thanks for your listening.